Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So it's a collaboration. Also, key vaccine just before the transfer. And this exists only in the country. And also different ways of injection, of administration, which are illustrated like this. We have spray vaccination. I will go back to this afterwards. So spray vaccination, so at the hatchery, spray vaccination in the farm, on the ground, spray vaccination in cages. This is the wing web injection, through the skin of the bird. This is the injection with the syringe, the automatic syringe.
Audio Jungle.
Because always think that one disease is very seldomly alone in fact. You can have generally several agents which are putting the mess on the farm, and I don't talk about the zootechnical approaches on the field.
Vakcine se najčešće prave od ventovnih slojeva. Izbor vakcinu utiču od nekih zelenih propisa, pa Evropska unija ima organizirane za gravnju, da predloživa vakcina. Svi CPI već bilo je puno veličastog i vodenastog isjetka na prostirci kad ste pritiskali zadnji deo abdomena. Znači, izlazila je ta krčma sa vratima, ja sam pomislio da se pitanje grampor.